check all around when you pump it up slightly to make sure the tube is properly seated all the way around. You can just push on the tire here after you pumped it up just a tiny bit, and if you can see the rim strip, the colored strip around the rim of the wheel in there, then you know you don't see like bulging tube, then you're good. But you should go all the way around on both sides and check for that, I think. Looks good. And we're gonna pump up the tire. Again, we're gonna pump it up in increments. And as I pump it up, I wanna make sure the tire still looks round, because if it's starting to, you know, bulge in one spot or another, that means the tire is not seating quite properly. This is not a new tire though. This isn't like the first time I've installed this tire on this bike, so I'm not too concerned about that. You don't often get a flat tire on a brand new tire if it was installed properly. Often you might get a flat tire on a new tire if it wasn't installed properly. You know, it wouldn't have been caused by something puncturing it. It would have been caused by installer error. Looks good to me.